Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Zealot S32 Bluetooth speaker with iPhone. And to do this, first you will need to power your device, so hold this key for around 3 seconds to power on. You can see a LED lamp flashing right here, and that means power is on. There's also sound coming out. And now to pair it with your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. And in this case it's already connected for some reason, so let's forget this device and just to show you. And look for other devices. And also make sure that it's not connected to anything else, otherwise it won't be visible here. And then click on Zealot S32 and it will connect with your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.